So Chris, while we were talking about these Comfort Gel pruners, I noticed that there is this little sort of rounded area. It almost looks like it wasn't manufactured properly or something like that. What's that all about?
These blades are primarily to cut finer, thinner branches, but you come across, every once in a while, you'll come across a larger branch. This is a limb notch, and that's what it's designed to do, is cut those larger branches. So you're not straining and stressing these blades. What you do is you go in, and you'll see this little notch right here. This is a branch that's broken off, way too thick to be cutting with these blades. So you would just get in here, right to where the limb is, and cut it right off. That you couldn't do with these blades. It would absolutely bend them and break them.
So you really weren't joking when you said that hedge clippers were underrated tools.
Absolutely.
So if you have any questions about Corona hedge clippers or pruning your shrubs, you can leave a comment below or reach out to us at provingwinnerscolorchoice.com or
CoronaToolsUSA.com.